Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to stop losing money in customers. Click on the link in the description box for more details. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you're running a website, you need to be aware of the importance of having an SSL certificate. Google is now giving preference to websites that have SSL certificates, so if you want to be found on Google Search, you need to make sure you have one. In this video, we'll explain the reasons why SSL certificates are so important and how they can benefit your website. SSL certificate is a must for any website looking to be found on Google. Google gives priority to websites with an SSL certificate when it comes to ranking in search results. What is an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate is a digital certificate that is used to authenticate a website. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer and is a protocol that is used to secure communication between a web server and a web browser. SSL certificates are issued by companies called certificate authorities, and they contain information about the website owner, as well as the website's public key. When a web browser connects to a website that is using SSL, the browser will check the certificate to make sure that it is valid and that the website is who it claims to be. Why SSL certificate is important? An SSL certificate is a digital certificate that is used to establish a secure connection between a web server and a web browser. The SSL certificate encrypts the data that is exchanged between the server and the browser, and it also authenticates the identity of the website. SSL certificates are important because they provide a secure connection for users who are accessing your website. They also help to build trust with your users, and they can improve your search engine ranking. If you are running a website that handles sensitive information, such as credit card numbers or personal information, then you will need to have an SSL certificate. This is because the SSL certificate will encrypt the data that is being exchanged between the server and the browser. Some web hosting providers will offer a free SSL certificate, while others will charge a small fee. If you are running an e-commerce website, then you will definitely need an SSL certificate. If you are not sure whether or not your website needs an SSL certificate, then you can contact us so one of our qualified security specialists can install it for you. How to install an SSL certificate? If you're running a website, you should install an SSL certificate to make sure your site is secure. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, you'll need to generate a CSR, certificate signing request, on your server. This can usually be done through your hosting control panel, or you can contact your host to have them generate one for you. Once you have your CSR, you'll need to purchase an SSL certificate. You can do this through a variety of providers and choose one of the most affordable and reliable providers out there. Once you have your certificate, you'll need to install it on your server. This process will vary depending on your server type, so you'll need to consult your hosting documentation or support for instructions. Once your SSL certificate is installed, you'll need to make sure it's properly configured. This includes setting up your server to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS and setting your site to only use SSL encrypted connections. Finally, you'll need to test your site to make sure everything is working properly. You can do this by visiting your site using // instead of @// and making sure there are no errors or warnings. Once you've completed all of these steps, your website will be fully secured with an SSL certificate. Conclusion: SSL certificate is an important part of running a successful business website. It makes it easier for your customers to find you. It protects the website from cyber threats and lets the users feel safe about their private information. A website with SSL certificate can be found on the top of the search result on Google, and this is an important factor for every business to be successful. Contact us so one of our qualified security specialists can install an SSL certificate for you. Thanks for watching.